Welcome to Praveen Patil College of Diploma, Engineering and Technology, our department Humanity and Science. Course Basic Mathematics, course code 22103. Myself again, Mrs. Smita Shekhar Kamble. Today's lecture is obviously depend on unit number 2, chapter number 5, trigonometry. We have to revise some format. We have to use in all the examples. Sin theta is equal to 1 upon cosec theta and cosec theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta. Cos theta is equal to 1 upon sec theta or sec theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta. Tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta, cot theta cos theta upon sin theta. Tan theta 1 upon cot theta, cot theta 1 upon tan theta. Trigonometric identities. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to sec square of theta. 1 plus cot square theta is equal to cosec square of theta. So in this way, we have to must remind all fundamental relation between the ratios and our trigonometric identities. Be clear here. Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta or cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta. 1 is equal to sec square theta minus tan square theta. Now, if we have to equate, then obviously sec square theta 1 plus tan square theta. 1 is equal to cosec square theta minus cot square theta or cot square theta minus cosec square theta is equal to minus 1. In this way, trigonometric identity we have to use. 2 sin A into cos B is equal to sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. 2 cos A into cos B is equal to sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. 2 cos A into cos B is equal to cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. 2 sin A into sin B is equal to cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. Be clear, sin, sin minus sin, cos plus cos and cos minus cos. The bracket is first A plus B, second bracket A minus B, first bracket A plus B, second bracket A minus B, third bracket A plus B, third last bracket is A minus B. 2 sin A into sin B, only this format is different. Cos A minus B is first minus cos A plus B. Be difference between the formulas, which is the addition and subtraction formula combination, gives this factorization and defactorization formulas. Now next one, sin C plus sin D is equal to 2 sin C plus D upon 2 into cos C minus D upon 2. Sin C minus sin D is equal to 2 cos C plus D upon 2 into sin C minus D upon 2. Cos C plus cos D is equal to 2 cos C plus D upon 2 into cos C minus D upon 2. Last but not least, cos C minus cos D is equal to minus 2 sin C plus D upon 2 into sin C minus D upon 2 is equal to sin C plus D upon 2 into sin D minus C upon 2. In this way, in this formula, we have to must remind that sin C plus sin D, here first sin is there, second is cos, first bracket C plus D upon 2, second bracket C minus D upon 2. Second formula, 2 cos is first, sin is different, C plus D upon 2, C minus D upon 2. Third formula, cos C plus cos D, 2 cos C plus D upon 2 into cos C minus D upon 2. Cos C minus cos D minus 2 sin C plus D upon 2 into sin C minus D upon 2. Sin, if we have to take both are sin, then C plus D upon 2 sin D minus C upon 2. Be clear, here is no multiplication of 2. So, using such formula, we have to solve example number 6. Prove that sin A plus B minus sin A minus B upon cos A plus B minus cos A minus B is equal to minus cot A. Approach, it is very obvious from all A plus B and A minus B as a applied factor has to apply is divide. What is that? Sin A plus B is given, sin A minus B is given, cos A plus B is given, cos A minus B is given. We know that sin A plus B is sin A cos B plus cos A sin B minus sin A minus B sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Denominator, cos A plus B is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B minus cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Common term we have to equate, cos A sin B minus minus become plus cos A sin B, but these and these one get cancelled. Here cos A, I use a highlighter here. Here also we have to cancel which term now? Cos A minus B and cos A minus B is cancelled. Though here we have to equate the sin cos A minus B and minus sin A cos B. So 2 times cos A sin B upon minus 2 times sin A sin B. We have to know that sin B get cancelled. Cos upon sin is cot and minus 2 get cancelled. 2 get cancelled and with minus 2, but minus remain as the same. So minus cot A, it is the right hand side. Now we have given that sin 3A minus sin A upon cos 3A plus cos A is equal to tan A. We have sin C minus sin D is equal to 2 cos C plus D upon 2 into sin C minus D upon 2. Cos C plus cos D, because here is the middle is plus, here in middle is minus. That's why we have to use minus and here plus. So 2 cos C plus D upon 2 into cos C minus D. This formula we have to put the C is equal to 3A, D is equal to A. So consider LHS. Sin 3A minus sin A upon cos 3A plus cos A is equal to, we have to apply first formula here right hand side in numerator and is right hand side in denominator. So that's why 2 3A plus A upon 2 2 cos आएगा. Sin 3A minus A upon 2 2 cos 3A plus A upon 2 into cos 3A minus A upon 2. 3A plus A 4A, 4 upon 2 2. So 2 cos 2A. 3A minus A 2A. 2 get cancelled, sin A. Next 2 cos 3A plus A, 4A divided by 2, that is 2A. 3A minus A 2A, 2 gets cancelled, cos C. Common term get obviously cancelled. What is remaining? Sin A upon cos A. We know that sin upon cos is tan. So we derive LHS equal to RHS. Okay. Now next slide. We have to prove that sine 4a plus sine 5a plus sine 6a upon cos 4a plus cos 5a plus cos 6a is equal to tan 5a. We have equating part. We have to start. In this here 4a is common. Here 5a is common. Here cos 4a is common and 5a is common. So we have to equate this term. And sin 6a cos 6a remain as the same because it is the bigger angle. We have to distribute. Now sin 4a plus sin 6a cos 4a plus cos 6a. We have known that sin c plus sin d because here is the plus symbol is there and sin is there. So sin c plus sin d 2 times sin c plus d upon 2 into cos c minus d upon 2. In denominator, we have to use cos c plus cos d is equal to 2 cos c plus d upon 2 into cos c minus d upon 2. C is equal to 4a, d is equal to 6a. So we have to put the value. C is equal to 4a and d is equal to 6a. We have to equate this term. So we have to take the sin 6a because it is more careful. So what is remaining? We have 4a plus 6a upon 2 is 5a. 4a minus 6a upon 2 is minus a. Plus sin 5a remain as the same. Next 2 cos 6a plus 4 upon 2 5a. 4a minus 6a upon 2 is minus a. Why we have to equate these? Because we have to here, if I take 4 plus, I give an even number. Okay. But I take suppose 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. 9 is not divisible. That's why we have to equate the first as a 4a plus 6a. That's why we have to keep as this as a odd number, odd angle. That's why it is separately. So we have to equate 2 sin a 5a cos a. What is cos a? Yes, cos minus a is cos of minus theta is cos theta. So we have to take sin 5a from this numerator. What is remaining? 2 cos a plus 1. In denominator we take the cos 5a common. 2 cos a plus 1. Common term get cancelled. Sin 5a upon cos a. It is exactly sin upon cos is tan. Now, next very important we have to establish sin 2x formula. Sin 2x is equal to 2 sin x cos x 2 tan x upon 1 plus tan square x. Cos x have more formulas. Cos square x minus sin square x. 2 cos square x minus 1. 1 minus 2 sin square x. 1 minus tan square x upon 1 plus tan square x. Tan 2x formula. 2 tan x upon 1 minus tan square x. Sin 3x. Last lecture we have to discuss 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. Cos 3x. 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Next cos 3x is 3 tan x minus tan cube x upon 1 minus tan square x. Sin x is equal to 2 sin x by 2 into cos x by 2 is equal to tan x by 2 1 plus tan square x by 2. We cover this. Cos x is equal to, instead of here we have to take x. What is the difference between that formula? Here instead of x there is x by 2. Remaining formula are same. Cos square x by 2 minus sin square x by 2 is equal to 2 cos square x by 2 minus 1. 1 minus 2 sin square x by 2. 1 minus tan square x by 2. 1 plus tan square x by 2. Tan x is equal to 2 tan x by 2. 1 minus tan square x by 2. Sin x by 2 plus minus under root 1 minus cos x upon 2. Cos x by 2 1 plus minus under root 1 plus cos x upon 2. Tan x by 2 under root 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus cos x. Today's lecture is over with all